Welcome. Today we're going to discuss one of the first concrete math materials that children encounter in a Montessori classroom, the spindle boxes. The spindle boxes introduce children to the relationship between written numerals and real quantity in a clear, hands-on way. Through simple counting and careful placement, children begin building a deep and meaningful understanding of numbers. The material consists of two wooden boxes divided into compartments labeled with the numbers 0 through 9. Children place the correct number of wooden spindles into each compartment, physically matching quantity to written numerals. This concrete experience helps children to truly understand what numbers represent, rather than simply memorizing them. In Montessori, children learn math through their hands first. By counting individual spindles and placing them carefully into each compartment, children develop what's known as one-to-one correspondence and also develop a strong sense of quantity. Numbers are no longer abstract symbols. They become something that the child can see, feel, and understand. One of the most important discoveries in this activity is the meaning of 0. When children see that no spindles belong in the 0 compartment, they experience this idea of nothing in a very concrete way. This simple but powerful moment lays the groundwork for understanding place value and more advanced mathematical thinking later on. The spindle boxes include a built-in control of error. Because there are exactly 45 spindles, the child immediately knows if something is incorrect. Either spindles are left over or a compartment has too few. This allows the child to discover and correct mistakes independently, which is a central principle of Montessori learning. As children work with the spindle boxes, they gain much more than counting practice. They develop a physical, muscular sense of numbers, strengthen their concentration and listening skills, and begin to understand numbers as complete sets. These foundational skills prepare the child for all future mathematical learning. The orderly structure of the spindle boxes invites calm, focused work. Children move step by step through the numbers, counting carefully and placing each spindle with intention. This process strengthens the child's independence, attention to detail, and confidence in their own ability to solve problems. The spindle boxes may appear simple, but they play a really powerful role in the child's mathematical journey. By transforming numbers into real, tangible experiences, this material builds deep understanding, independence, and confidence, the true foundation for all future work in mathematics. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below and follow us on all of our social media platforms for more content. Have a great day!